Hello, this is a short video to inform you about the Medicare Suppliers Network and an easy-to-use functional tool called the Equipment Request Form to start the ordering process for home medical equipment for your patient. On the Internet, go to www.medicaresuppliersnetwork.com, where you will see information on Medicare guides, diagnosis guides, equipment guides, and general information about our website and our network. The Medicare Suppliers Network was created by the Med Group as an educational program for healthcare providers and consumers to direct them to our website, which is medicaresuppliersnetwork.com, and ultimately to our members to fulfill their equipment needs for both competitively bid and non-competitively bid items. On the home page, you can reach our tool called the Equipment Request Form by clicking on the blue area at the top of the page or on the green button at the right side of the page. For the sake of time, I have already created the Equipment Request Form. When you click the green button, and you will be asked for general information about your patient. One, we'll need the healthcare professional information, your information, or the referral source, so you can be contacted. General patient information, name, date of birth, weight, height, a phone number, and a zip code for the patient. When you put in a zip code, the city and state will pre-populate. It is optional to put in a street address. We know sometimes you don't know if the patient's going home, going to a caregiver's, so that is optional to include on this form. The next statement is, have you informed the patient that we will be contacting them regarding this equipment request, yes or no? This is a new Medicare supplier standard, and at this time you will not be stopped if you say no, but we will call and ask that you inform the patient that we will be contacting them, or at least the DME company will. You're required to enter one diagnosis code. You can enter up to 4. The normal default for primary insurance is Medicare. You can enter others. You do have the option to enter secondary insurance information. We do need the ordering provider or physician name and phone number, and please remind them in the doctor's notes to have this charted. In this example, I'm going to request for this patient a hospital bed, oxygen, and a walker. You go on to the next step. In this example, these 3 items are competitively bid items. The 75001 zip code I previously entered is a competitive bid area. In this case, Majors Medical Service did win the competitively bid award for these 3 categories of products. They are 9.1 miles to the patient. This will let you know one company can service this patient and they are closest to the patient. You go to the next step. A summary page will show up, and everything that you entered will be on this page. It is printer friendly for you to print a copy for your chart notes or for the patient. The reason you'd have it for the patient is to let them know Majors Medical Service will be contacting them about these 3 pieces of equipment, and there's their phone number if they need to schedule anything with them. When you complete this, you will go to the next page, and at that time you cannot change anything. So if you see anything that needs to be changed, please press Edit, and it will take you back. Upon completing, you will be receiving a PDF. This is not HIPAA compliant or secure, so we do not store this information once you're done with this request. So please save this to your desktop or print it for your records. When you click on the PDF, it will take just a second to open. This form will have a fax cover sheet with the information for Majors Medical Service. It is fillable. You can put your information in. Their fax number is here. Any comments, questions, you can attach different information to them. The information you typed in is here on the second page. Print this, save it, turn around and fax it to them. They will in turn call you to complete the process for ordering the equipment to see what specifics you need, if they need a physician's statement, if they need other prescription forms, different documents such as this. Then you can close it. At this time, you would begin a new request if you have another patient that you're going to request equipment for, or you can go back to the home page. This information will be deleted, as I said. If by chance Majors Medical Service had not been able to service the patient for a walker, you would have seen 2. It would have suggested another company that did win the bid, since that is a competitively bid item in that area. So thank you for joining us. Once again, this is a production of the Medicare Suppliers Network. If you have a question for our network, please send an email to info@medicaresuppliersnetwork.com or click on the Contact Us button at the top right-hand corner of the page, and that will be sent directly to me for any questions. Thank you and have a great day.